Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and sure, your skates can do this, but can they do this, and this, or even this? That's why I love these 3-in-1 adjustable skates by Rollerface because they cover everything. We can go from the roller rink to the concrete, straight to the ice without missing a beat. And I just love that they're adjustable because then I know that my son can wear them for more than a season. They are comfortable with their nice thick padding, and they feel nice and secure on the feet and the leg with their 3-point safety system of having laces, Velcro at the ankle, and then a ratchet system around the calf and shin. And they're nice and easy to change the mode with the help of these 2 skate keys. Each mode has a set of 2 frame screws, and you can pull those out and change out the type of skate. Now, I do want to mention that when you are using the inline skates, you do need to loosen up the bearings before you're able to really fit the frame in properly. It's really a mom win when you have something that can be used for 3 different things, as well as keep fitting through a growth spurt. My son just loves these skates by Rollerface, and I really think you should check them out. They are so worth it. And that's my point of view.